kick off a complimentary glass of champagne or mimosa. We'll be going around compliments of our captain here on board this mighty fine vessel. And of course, you have your picture taken with this extraordinary waterfall. Our photo team will be taking pictures. This will be our entrance, and of course, this will be our exit over here. Our speciality, darling, he does a remarkable job. With a huge round of applause, can you please welcome our maitre, it is Nicola! Now, Nicola, before we get started, I know what our guests are thinking. How many glasses are in the Champagne Waterfall?
620.
620 glasses. And I know it only took them 20 minutes to get this started. I think Deck and the wonderful bar team deserve a huge round of applause for setting us up this evening. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Well, Captain Emilio Chaluzzi will be here at approximately 7:30, but now we're going to leave you with an incredible band. That is, be nice and see you. Okay, now it. Oh, yeah. Oh, sugar pie, honey, oh, you know that I love you. Oh, I can't help myself, 'cause I love you and nobody else. Sugar pie, honey, bigger than meant to be. Oh, I can't help myself. I'm just a fool in love, you see. I wanna tell you I love you, tell you what's true. You have been enjoying a complimentary glass of champagne, almost a compliments of the master of the vessel. But let's look around this Grand Piazza this evening. The ladies, don't they get gorgeous? Give the ladies a big round of applause. They look wonderful this evening on our formal evening. And the gentlemen, haven't the ladies done a good job at dressing the gentlemen this evening? Give them a big round of applause. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's my absolute pleasure to introduce the gentleman who keeps us safe each and every evening we're here on board this mighty fine vessel. He is Master and Commander of Caribbean Princess. Please, with a huge round of applause, please welcome Captain Emilio Chaluzzi!
And a very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And first of all, I would like to welcome you formally on board the Caribbean Princess for these 7 days to Eastern Caribbean. And I would like to start introducing my executive officer, my senior officer, the hotel general manager. She's our associate hotel general manager from Australia, Simone Smith. And still in the hotel organization, the lady who is taking care of all the guest services is our guest service director from Austria, Elke Pointer-Care. Next is the lady taking care of all the food and beverage on board the Caribbean Princess. She's our food and beverage director from South Africa, Cara Winter. And next is the gentleman overall in charge of all our housekeeping, our cabin stewards all around the Caribbean Princess. Is our executive housekeeper from Philippines, Rogelio Galvan. And now the gentleman overall in charge of all the galley staff, the man in charge of preparing all those 1,000 dishes every day, is our executive chef from Scotland, John Convery.
I want that hat.
And now the man overall in charge of all the dining room staff is our maître d'hôtel from Italy, Nicola Furlan. And in charge of the excellent entertainment on board the Caribbean Princess is our entertainment director from Australia, David Pitchfork.
Who's driving the ship?
And environment is very important for us, keeping clean air, clean oceans. We have our environmental here from United the States, Gordon Lauder. And last but not least, the voice of the ocean, the voice of the Caribbean princess, our cruise director from England, Matt Barnard. Okay, and now, ladies and gentlemen, let's see how many of you we have on board Caribbean Princess. We have a total of 3,042 of you coming from 42 different nationalities, and I have the breakdown. So let's see, one from Barbados, one from Bulgaria, one from Colombia, one from Cuba, one from Spain, one from Switzerland, one from Ukraine. 2 from Costa Rica, 2 from Denmark, and 2 from France, 2 from Honduras, 2 from Hong Kong, 2 from Italy, 2 from New Zealand, 2 from Peru, 2 from Romania, 2 from South Africa, 2 from Trinidad and Tobago, 3 from Chile, 3 from China, 3 from India, 3 from Mexico, 4 from Brazil, 4 from Netherlands, 4 from Hungary, 4 from Ireland, 5 from Argentina, 6 from Belgium, 6 from Portugal, 6 from Sweden, 11 from Germany, 25 from Poland, 27 from Australia, 76 from Great Britain, 400 from Canada. And 2,417 from United States of America. We also have, ladies and gentlemen, a total of 1,172 of us crew members on board the Caribbean Princess, believe it or not, coming from 55 different countries all around the world. Let's give them a big round of applause. I can guarantee you all that our talented and experienced crew will do anything is possible for your vacation to be unforgettable. All you need to do is sit back, relax, and let us take care of you. We have a lot of nice port of call ahead of us, beautiful weather, excellent entertainment. I'm sure you will all have great fun for us. I've been sailing with Princess Cruises since 1991, and I love sailing the world oceans and navigating you all in all those fascinating destinations.